Today, I'm going to help two of my friends with their computers. My friend Aaron has the Aero 15 and he's never opened it since he got it. There's sure to be a lot of dust, and I hope to help him clean all that out as well as do a thermal repaste. My friend Alfred, on the other hand, bought a pre-built from Best Buy about a year ago and has been having thermal issues where his computer has been overheating and sometimes even shutting down.
It's okay, hello.
Alright, let's open this thing. I'm actually really curious to see what it's like on the inside because I've never opened it before.
Me neither. You can tell by all the dust.
T6. I can do like a full repaste. So
Sure.
under the processor, there's like thermal paste. I forgot to bring that over, but basically that might have been dried up already. I don't know. But let's get going. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then probably 1. You don't care about the warranty on this anymore.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Because there are like stickers here and here that kind of cover the screw, and they're probably going to be like, oh, if you puncture this, then we won't give you warranty. But this thing being like 3 years old is probably okay. That one might be. That one's out. I just need to get it to stick. This one has a sticker too.
How do you know if it has a sticker?
It's like when you look down on it, it's just flat. But I have to poke a hole through it.
I see.
Well, this one, no sticker. Are you curious to see what it looks like?
I am curious.
Okay. It's gonna feel so good though, after you
I hope it runs better. It's been hecka hot.
Oh yeah, it should. This one's gonna be a pain. I don't know how I'm gonna get this one out.
This is so hard.
Yeah. I don't know how I took Alfred's apart so easily compared to like this one. Because this is pretty much the same. Okay, there we go. I just slid this in the gap. I'm just trying to lift up so I don't accidentally like slice anything or touch anything. We might be able to flip it open.
There we go.
Okay, that's actually not too bad. So this we can clean off really easily with your duster. You can go, we can do that first. That's easy peasy.
Take a look below it outside.
Sure.
Look at all that.
I'm gonna put this on so I don't fry your computer.
Explode.
First things first, I need to disconnect the battery.
Alfred!
Oh.
What's up, Alfred? Oh, you need help?
Oh, I'm good. Okay, I was helping him clean his laptop first, and then I was gonna get to that. We need to remove these screws. There's some that are covered by this rubber, but we have to remove this and all of that.
Sounds good.
That's It's gonna be like a suction seal because there's double piece there. Yeah, try not to bend this copper piece because this is all dry. I'm gonna clean these two and put on the paste because if you feel it, it's kind of, this one especially is dry.
Yeah.
Q-tips because that is.
Not to get the paste off.
Yeah. For this one, you don't have to be as careful because there's no electronics on it. So technically, if you want to, you can just pour that on here.
Just drown it in.
Yeah.
Alright, get out of here, Gus. You butchered. Holy mackerel.
If you want, you can use the tweezers too. That might help you get your fingers or get closer. I put that back in. Everything should be in. Alright, So now the back piece can finally go back on. There we go. You can snap it in. Oh, I think that's this one. Oops. But it does look, yeah, it looks a bit high in some parts. And we're done. Hallelujah. Your pre-built came with this fan, and it sucks. So we're gonna get rid of it. How long have you had this? Actually, like a year almost, right?
Yeah, you recommended it in December.
Okay. And I kind of feel bad for recommending it because I didn't know it had that many problems.
No. I mean, it's very ready, very ready. It's been fantastic. Say hi to Aaron over here. Hi, Aaron.
Hello. Yo. Hello.
Oh, wow. Say hi to Alfred. What? Hello.
Okay.
He's busy.
Why are there two? Oh, is it RGB? Is there another cable because it's RGB? Does this fan turn on like colors?
No, all the other ones do.
Stop it. Oh boy. It's a lot of paste that's not spread evenly. Like it's all in a circle and you saw it, right?
Yeah, I see it. And the edges are very thick.
It's their design. Oh, I have to plug in this side.
Oh yeah.
So you just have to do it like this.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Knock to it in all its glory. Okay.
Look at that beautiful fan with those inferior pieces of crap.
My camera
Alright.
died, so I'm using
Here
this.
we go. Does it work?
Hey, it works. Screw
Yes.
RGB. Turn off all the RGB.
All the flashlights are off. And this dumbass light is off now. Oh, sorry, it's your channel PG-13.